on top. This is a 4000 watt PMPO speaker. There are a lot of information on this box. For instance, over here it's written, I'll give you a closer look. There you go. It's written Bluetooth connectivity. Connect your mobile device to your speakers with one press of the Bluetooth pairing button and you're ready to listen. With 4.1 channel speakers and 4000 watt PMPO power, you can enjoy loud and powerful bass. Do we have any more information? More or less the same. There are a lot of connectivity options that are listed over here. The connectivity options being there is a USB connectivity, an FM radio, SD card and audio jack as well. This is a very large box. As you can tell, it's it's quite large, 4.1 speaker configuration. I'm just going to open this box and show you what the contents look like. Gently. It's 2 satellites. So these are 2 more satellites. And this is the subwoofer. That's more or less all we have in the box. And 4. There's also this extra packet, that is some more components inside. So we have a document and some other stuff as well. Let's take a look at each of them. First up, we have a user manual. There you can see this is the user manual for the SPA8140B. You should read it at least once. You'll also learn how to set up this particular device through this manual. I'm going to keep this right over here. We also have these audio and video input wires. It's a good addition. And then there is this particular remote control. So you can use this particular device with this remote as well. It does not have any battery right now, but this requires 2 AAA battery to operate. So that's make sure you have 2 AAA batteries when you're using this. So these are the satellites. It has this nice black and orange color scheme going on. There is this durable texture on each side. It's quite durable actually. Although it's made out of plastic, it's very hard plastic. It's going to last for a long time. And it also has this nice mesh design at the front. Notice the Philips logo over here as well. This is the part that goes inside the subwoofer, but we will come to it in a while. So these are the 4 satellites as mentioned earlier. And this is of course the subwoofer. There you can see. Once again, a black and orange color combination, has a nice design over here, and the Philips logo is quite visible. You will notice that there are a couple of buttons over here. This is basically the inline remote control. You will have volume rockers, and you can also see the power on off button, the play and pause button, and also the track changing button. Okay, do we have anything? Yes, there is a USB-A port and a SD card slot over here. And right over here you have the antenna for the FM. This is the antenna for the FM, and your power on off button. There's this particular dial that controls the bass and all the different input and output ports that comes with the subwoofer. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips 4.1 multimedia speaker.